Did you know that a single ingredient can help you burn fat, improve brain function, rejuvenate your skin, and even strengthen your immune system? Today, I'm going to reveal the incredible benefits of coconut oil and how it can transform your health naturally and scientifically proven. If you want to discover the secret to a healthier life, come with me. Here on the Benefits of Natural Health channel, we believe that health starts with small daily changes. And today, I'm going to show you how coconut oil, the same one you use in the kitchen, can be a powerful ally for your health. But first, if you're not yet subscribed, click here and join our family. Let's walk together on this journey of health and well-being. Let's start with a benefit everyone loves. Coconut oil can help you burn fat. This happens because it contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are metabolized differently by the body. Unlike common fats, which are stored as body fat, MCTs are quickly converted into energy. They increase energy expenditure and help reduce abdominal fat. But how does this work? When you consume coconut oil, the MCTs are sent directly to the liver, where they are transformed into energy or ketones, which are an alternative fuel source for the body. Additionally, they increase the feeling of fullness, helping you eat less. 1 tablespoon a day already makes a difference. And the best part, you can use coconut oil at breakfast, mixed in coffee, in smoothies, or even for cooking. The second benefit is improved brain function. Studies show that the MCTs in coconut oil can increase the production of ketones, which are an alternative energy source for the brain. This is especially important for people with neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Ketones provide energy to brain cells, improving memory, concentration, and cognitive function. But how can you use this in your daily life? Just add a tablespoon of coconut oil to your breakfast or smoothie. It's simple and effective. Additionally, coconut oil can also help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is beneficial for long-term mental health. The third benefit is skin rejuvenation. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that deeply hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and prevent premature aging. It also has antimicrobial properties that help fight bacteria and fungi on the skin, preventing acne and other infections. But how to use it? You can apply coconut oil directly to your skin as a natural moisturizer or add it to your skincare routine. It's also great for removing makeup and treating acne. For those with dry or irritated skin, coconut oil can be a true savior. Just apply a small amount to the affected areas and gently massage. In just a few days, you'll see a significant improvement in the texture and appearance of your skin. The fourth benefit is strengthening the immune system. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. When consumed, lauric acid is converted into monolaurin, a substance that helps destroy viruses, bacteria, and fungi in the body. This helps protect the body against infections and diseases. But how to include it in your routine? Just add a tablespoon of coconut oil to your daily diet. It can also be used for gargling to relieve sore throats. For those who suffer from frequent colds or infections, coconut oil can be a powerful ally to strengthen the immune system and prevent illnesses. The fifth benefit is improved digestive health. Coconut oil helps balance gut flora, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrient absorption. This can relieve issues like constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, and poor digestion. But how to use it? Add a tablespoon of coconut oil to your meals or use it for cooking. It's stable at high temperatures and doesn't lose its properties. Additionally, coconut oil can also help combat harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy environment for beneficial bacteria. For those with digestive issues, coconut oil can be a natural and effective solution. The sixth benefit is reducing bad cholesterol. Studies show that coconut oil can increase HDL, good cholesterol, levels and reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, levels. This happens because the MCTs in coconut oil are metabolized differently in the body, promoting a healthy cholesterol balance. But how to include it in your routine? Simply replace other fats, like soybean oil or margarine, with coconut oil in your daily diet. It's a healthier and more natural option for cooking and preparing food. The seventh benefit is the prevention of heart disease. Contrary to what many people think, coconut oil can be beneficial for heart health. It helps reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and promote cardiovascular health. But how to use it? Add a tablespoon of coconut oil to your daily diet or use it for cooking. It's a healthier and more natural option for preparing food. The eighth benefit is reducing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Coconut oil contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. But how to use it? Add a tablespoon of coconut oil to your daily diet or use it for cooking. It's a healthier and more natural option for preparing food. The ninth benefit is improved oral health. Coconut oil can be used for oil pulling, an ancient technique that helps remove bacteria and toxins from the mouth, promoting oral health and preventing cavities and gingivitis. But how to do it? Simply take a tablespoon of coconut oil, swish it around your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, then spit it out and rinse with water. Repeat this process daily for the best results. The 10th benefit is promoting hair health. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer for hair, helping to reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and promote healthy hair growth. But how to use it? Apply a small amount of coconut oil to your hair, massage your scalp, and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing. Repeat this process once or twice a week for the best results. But be careful! Coconut oil isn't for everyone. People with high cholesterol or liver problems should consume it in moderation. Additionally, it's important to choose extra virgin coconut oil of good quality. Always consult a doctor before starting any natural treatment. So, did you like these tips? Coconut oil is truly a powerful ally for your health. If you want more content like this, click the like button, share it with someone who needs to know about it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tips. And if you already use coconut oil, tell us in the comments how it has changed your life. A big hug, and see you in the next video. Remember, health is our greatest treasure, and with small daily changes, we can transform our lives. See you next time.